Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a steamed sesame rice cake. It's gluten-free, non-dairy, and also sugar-free. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. Full recipe is in description underneath the video. I'm using rice flour from Thailand, which is available in most Asian grocery stores. You may substitute monk fruit sweetener with sugar, but of course it wouldn't be sugar-free afterwards. Separate eggs one by one first. Refrigerate the egg whites. Mix oil with coconut milk. Add egg yolks. And add sesame powder and mix well. Add half of the rice flour. Mix well. Then add the rest of rice flour and mix well. Texture will be like this. Beat egg whites at high speed. Add cream of tartar when it's foamy. Continue to beat at high speed, then add 1/3 of the monk fruit sweetener. Beat at high speed. When the egg whites become a little bit thick, add 1/3 of the sweetener. When the egg whites becomes thick enough with lines formed inside, add the rest of sweetener and continue to beat, but with medium speed now. Continue to beat until the egg whites exceed firm peaks but not stiff peaks yet. Small hook of egg whites at the tip of beaters. Pour 1/3 of the meringue into the batter. Use the hand whisk to fold to incorporate. Gently while turning the bowl. Make sure you already prepare a pot of boiling water to steam or a preheated steam oven. Pour the mixture into the rest of meringue. While turning the bowl, use a spatula to fold the egg whites from bottom, then cut into center to incorporate. Pour the mixture back into the first bowl and use the spatula to fold from bottom and cut in the center to incorporate. Tap the mixing bowl on counter to remove air bubbles. Line a 6-inch baking pan with parchment paper on bottom. Pour the batter in. Tap baking pan on counter to remove bubbles. Place the baking pan in a bigger bowl, then wrap the top of the bowl with plastic. Secure the edge. Poke a few holes with a toothpick to prevent condensation. Steam for 45 minutes. Remove the cake afterwards. Invert the cake to cool down. Release the cake from the cake pan. The cake is soft and bouncy with the aromatic sesame flavor. Unlike cakes made of regular wheat flour, a cake made of rice flour is less moist and chewy. But since we are incorporating the meringue method here, the cake is still soft and fluffy. The steamed gluten-free and non-dairy sesame cake is now ready to serve Enjoy!